Hello and welcome to Dexter's Tips. This is Dexter. What's your job, Dexter?
I am the Quality and Technical Manager for Pavers.
Which means?
Which means I go out with the buyers to the factories, develop products with them and take it from that development stage right through to final delivery.
Brilliant job. I'd love a job like that. Anyway, you also kind of have to think about protecting your shoes and making them long lasting, because you make an investment in a pair of shoes, but then I'm really bad at this. I don't put anything on mine. I just buy them, I wear them, whether it's snowing, raining, windy, sunshine, I just go out there. So at Pavers, we do a complete range of all sorts of things to look after your shoes. Now, you'll find loads and loads on the internet, on the web. You'll also find a lot of sprays and everything in the shops as well. So do go into your local Pavers shop and have a look around. We've got a few of them here today. So I'm going to start down there at the bottom right-hand side. That tall can, so what would I use that for?
That's a protector spray. So what it does, you spray it onto the shoes, it protects it from snow.
Well, it's like giving it a protective layer, isn't it, basically?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the first one, which you all know, because whenever you're going to, and I'm not going to name names, but any shoe shop, you buy a pair of shoes and they go, oh, but you should buy this, sir, and you should get this, and you must get this cream. Put that on and it'll look after your shoes. It gives you that protective coating. Then the next one in the middle, what's that one there then? That's upper cleaner, magic upper cleaner.
Yeah, it does work like magic as well. What it does is you spray it onto your upper and it's a foam, and then what it does, what I'm told, is like it acts like little micro earthquakes. So instead of like the dirt just sort of coming off, it sort of shakes it free.
So this isn't something you put on when they're brand new. This is if you get the shoe dirty, you foam it on and it explodes off. Okay?
Not quite.
I get that just to see it. And then the little bottle is called Magic Midsole. Was that midsole?
Midsole cleaner.
And what's that?
So that does exactly the same job, but on your shoes, sometimes you have the white midsole, which can get a bit dirty.
Oh,
so it does exactly the same job, but for the midsole.
It's funny, that came in. I remember when we were filming on Pavers and all those white midsoles came in and everything. We were like, oh, this is obviously a trend for the season. But it's never gone away, has it? So many people love it and everything. So they're just three of the products you can buy. As I said, we do also do a selection of shoe horns and insoles and everything like that, which you kind of don't think about, do you? You buy a pair of shoes, you don't think about thinking, I've just got one of these, I've just invested in one of these, because the big shoe horns are brilliant because you don't have to bend down. You can just stand up and do it like that. Oh, hello, sailor. Right, this is brilliant for a gift. This one here is fantastic for a gift, look. This really, really lovely container, but then inside, you've got everything you need to look after your shoes. I think that's just brilliant as well. That's another thing. My dad always had polish. He always had shoe brushes. We don't do that anymore, do we? We're very much of a kind of disposable, if it doesn't work, you throw it away sort of thing. Well, this is going to make the longevity of your shoes. Well, you've paid for, and they're your favourite shoes and you love them. There's nothing worse, is there, when you get to a stage you think, oh, I can't wear those anymore. Everything I'm showing you here is going to make the life of your shoes longer, isn't it? But you know what? We've got something, I think it's brand new. It's absolutely brilliant. What's this machine thing called?
IMBOX.
IMBOX, right? Now, we're going to talk over this. Here it is. The idea is it's a box that you put your shoes in. Look, professional footwear protector in less than a minute. They're in the stores. You can have it done online. And what you do is, there you go. You buy your new shoes, right? You take them out of the box. Oh, yes, lovely. Put them inside. Look. They do this in the shop. Look, it's $3.99 at the moment as we're filming it there. Pop it in, right. And what it does, it coats your shoes, look. So one, wet. The other one, oh, does he do the other one? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Look, it just repels the water from your shoes. How brilliant is that? So you can go into the store and you can buy a pair of shoes once you know they're the ones you want. Oh, here you go. Is it those shoes he's got on today? Look. So can I have it done on anything, or are there certain shoes I can't do it on?
There's some shoes which I wouldn't suggest it on, so like a suede, for example. But like most of the shoes, you'd be okay with it.
But they'll tell you when you go into the shop. They'll tell you, won't they?
Yeah. You wouldn't need it on a welly.
Oh, look, what's that? Oh, look, so that's how it actually works. Yeah. Oh, that's brilliant, isn't it? Now, do you know what? We've actually got a pair of boots here, and one has been treated and one hasn't. Now, because Daniel, you know what he's like with his new tables and everything. Daniel's our producer today. If you watch John Scott's Threads of Life, you'll know who Daniel is. So, look. So, we've got a pair of identical shoes here. One has been treated and one hasn't. So let's drop some water onto this one.
Yep. So this is the untreated one.
Oh, and it's just soaking straight in?
Yep.
Can you see that at home? Or don't know if you can there.
So try it there.
You'll run out. Oh.
But you can see how it's soaked in.
Yep. And then this one here has been treated. Oh!
So
they're like little pearls rolling off the surface. Well, you can't really see that at home, can you?
You can just see, there's a ball of water.
Yeah, but it's not soaking into, this is soaked into and this is like a velour, isn't it, this one?
It is, yeah.
And that one there, it's little balls of water just rolling off. I think that's fantastic, isn't it? So you can pop along to your local Pavers and they can have that done. Now, we were just talking about materials, weren't we? Lots of people are saying, oh, John or Dexter, what are the symbols? I don't understand the symbols. Here's just 4 of them, right? So you can see, we have these. These are when Richard doesn't take the labels off the shoes. These are the ones we rip off quickly so you can't see them. Leather upper and insole means it's a hole filled in one. If it's the bottom half like that, it's a leather insole, but a man-made fibre upper. Or if the other way round, you've got a leather upper and a man-made insole. Or if you've got coated leather, I don't recognise that one. That's a coated leather where the whole thing is leather, but it's been coated in something to make it more long-lasting. Yeah. There are other symbols as well. If you go into the shop and go to the website, you'll be able to see those as well. So thank you very much indeed, Dexter.
Yeah, thank you.
Make sure you look after your shoes.